What is it called when genes are turned on and off? It's called this, and it's done through a signal transduction pathway. This is kind of interesting. All of you ladies have known there's something very special about you, but one of the many special things about you is that you have two X chromosomes, and your body can actually turn off one of your X's and run off of the other one. The visible evidence of X chromosome inactivation is called this. During development, the influence of one group of cells on the development of another group is called this. And the overall plan of an organism, which regulate the overall structure of an organism, these genes accomplish this goal. Where is the head? Where is the body? Where are the legs?